Gemini, this is Star with Rihanna Stark. This is your monthly forecast for the month of May 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also being called upon to use these oracle deck. Geminis, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story. Towards the final days of April, stepping into May, we have the Temperance card. It's quite likely that you were dealing with delays, but then you were somebody who was able to achieve your ends. Perhaps, Geminis, there was also some kind of disagreements in your relationship and you were desiring balance and harmony. Maybe there were times when you were getting worked up for nothing. Obstacles to overcome this month, the challenges that May is presenting for Geminis is the King of Pentacles. I think you're dealing with money issues. Perhaps you should be clear when it comes to money matters. Maybe you should read the fine print because there could be somebody who could want to take you for a ride. Influences for this month, we have the Seven of Pentacles. I think you're somebody who wants to plan for the future. I think Pentacles energy seems to be a dominant one this month. So that is why you're being called upon to plan for your future. Sometimes, financial issues could also create discord in your relationship. Nonetheless, I think Geminis, in case you're going for that job or you're looking for better prospects, then this is the best time. I think you should also ask for a hike in case you're already an employee because you could come away getting that. Incidentally, you could also be shopping this month. Maybe gadgets are going to malfunction, so that is why you're going to invest in them. This is also the time to invest in the stock market, or maybe you will find that you have benefited on account of past investments that you had made. I think sometimes while dealing with clients also, you may find that the client wants to extract more than his pound of flesh, but at such a time, a junior or even a colleague could be quite firm and could put that person in his place. Maybe he will put your point of view across, and that is why this client is unable to take undue advantage of your services. The first 10 days of May, we have the Three of Pentacles. I think this is a time when you will do well if you collaborate with others. I think you're also being called upon to polish your skills because this lady, she's quite artistic. That is why, Geminis, I think you should not let go of these opportunities. There'll be some minor gains, but then there'll also be hard work ahead. You may feel at times that you're being blamed for mistakes made, but then you will realize later on, or in hindsight, you will understand that the fault was yours. At times, you'll also be a bit perturbed or distressed on account of the bias that exists within the home front or within the work environment. Incidentally, money owed to you was also going to be paid up this time. That is why you may also get an opportunity to clear off some debts. While working, Geminis, I think you should be a bit careful because there could be mistakes. Maybe the information or the data that is made available to you is incorrect. That is why you have to review your task. Incidentally, those of you who are at the helm of affairs, I think you are going to be much sought after. You will be praised by your juniors for being an encouraging boss. I think the achievements of your juniors is going to reflect very well on your department. Still, I think there will be those workers who are unproductive, so that is why you will give them a piece of your mind. Largely, Geminis, as a boss, you're somebody who is going to cover the mistakes of your juniors. The next 10 days, we have the Death card, that is 11th to 20th May. I think change is quite likely, so you should not resist the change that is there in the offing. Otherwise, it could get a bit difficult for you. Nonetheless, this is a time when you will find yourself being compelled to attend to pressing matters. But then you should take heart from the fact that you are able to achieve your ends or that the tasks are done one after the other. As an employee, you'll definitely be happy with the output. Maybe you should also make certain allowances for some clients in this period. An appreciation is also quite likely in case you're the leader of the pack. Like I said, you're somebody who is going to give your juniors a free hand. That is why they will carry on the tasks the way they want, and for this reason alone, they are very grateful to you. This month is also the time when you will have a heart-to-heart talk with the administrator. Maybe you could lay threadbare all the antics of this rival who's always hell-bent on creating mischief. I think timely intervention by the management will also work in your favor. Towards the final days, that is towards 21st to 31st May, we have the Lovers card. This is your energy, Geminis. Certainly there's going to be a choice. Communication will also increase, but communication will also bring in gains for you. We also have the Knight of Cups, which just clarifies the Lovers card. So certainly I think there's going to be somebody who is going to keep his ego aside and try to mend bridges with you. Perhaps this person also has a huge corner for you. I think in this period there could be unnecessary arguments, Geminis. Maybe you feel that a loved one or a colleague is always asserting himself and you always have to give in or surrender to whatever he or she desires. Incidentally, you may also find yourself accused of being quite avaricious, or maybe you're seen as somebody who wants to grab everything. But the truth is that you're quite open-handed. This period is also the time when you may feel overworked. Maybe you have a lot to deal with. Besides, I think there are colleagues who are always complaining instead of going about the task. I think you are somebody who likes system and order and who wants everything done in a systematic fashion. That is why you can work everything out in your head and move forward in that direction. With respect to your love life, I have the card Maturity, Beard. Perhaps you're going to wisen up this month, or you're going to be dealing with someone who's going to counsel you with respect to your love life. Single Geminis, I think there'll be those times when you will be filled with nostalgia. Maybe you're remembering someone. Perhaps there's an important date which has come up, and that is why you could be thinking about the past with respect to this particular date. Single Geminis can also expect marriage proposals. Maybe you're going to show an interest in a girl on a dating site, but then these are early days. At times your loved ones or your acquaintances could also play Cupid. But you should also be mindful because there are lecherous men around. Someone is also going to be very madly in love with you because we do have Knight of Cups in your reading. But then you are going to put limitations on yourself. In case you're crushing on someone, I think you are going to miss this person or you're going to yearn for this person. Maybe you're also desiring to rekindle this romance. On the other hand, those of you who are in an on-again, off-again relationship, I think you are going to cyberstalk this person. Maybe you want to understand his thoughts on the social media. Sometimes you feel that there's a telepathic connection between the two of you. I think 11th to 20th May is the best time in case you want to rekindle the romance. Maybe you could also be somebody who's going to be surprised to hear from this person, and this could leave you a bit overwhelmed. Romancing Geminis, I think your person or your beloved is going to reaffirm his feelings for you. Maybe you will also plan date nights or you will surprise each other with gifts. This person definitely wants to settle down with you and he has long-term plans. Sometimes, he could besiege you with a flurry of messages, but then there are those times when he could recoil into a shell. That is why you think that communication becomes a factor here. Basically, you should act with maturity. You should realize that sometimes, this person also requires the distance. Anyhow, you're also somebody who's ready to walk down the sunset with your beloved. There could also be those obstacles in your love life, and this could create some kind of mental disturbances. Those of you who are married, I think your spouse is someone who is going to be there for you. Sometimes, he could also accompany you for a business meeting. Ideally, I think both of you should show more love and affection towards each other rather than pick on each other. On the other hand, those of you in an unhappy connection, I think you could be dealing with a person who is quite suspicious. Infidelity could be a factor here. I think Geminis should not be putting up with abuse or domestic violence. At times you feel quite exasperated because you are made the scapegoat or you are blamed for no rhyme or reason. In case you are in a third party situation, I think you want commitment from your person. Maybe you want him to be more mature with respect to this connection. You think at times he is being a player. Perhaps he is scared of the repercussions. You will wonder why this person talks vaguely with you. Incidentally, for some Geminis, I'm also picking up that there could be a choice in love, or there could be a choice with respect to matters of the heart. To wrap up this reading, I have a message from this oracle deck. We have the card Breaking Barriers. I'm expanding beyond limitations into joy and freedom. Certainly, Geminis, it's the time to expand beyond your limitations. These are the times when you should go with the flow. Maybe you're imposing limitations on yourself or creating those self imposed barriers. Ideally, I think you should not let fear or worry prevent you from overcoming these barriers. Change can be messy because we did have the death card in your reading. Change can be a bit messy and chaotic, but then this is necessary if you are going to soar higher. Eventually, everything will work out just fine, Geminis. I hope, Geminis, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. We also have the weekly love reading, which is published every week. Have a look at that as well to get greater insight into your life. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye till the next time.